Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sack Hollywood filters in the FaceApp in 2025. Do you want to take your edits to the next level? Sacking Hollywood filters can create a unique, high-end look. And here's exactly how to do it by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application in case you haven't downloaded it already. You can head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna look for the FaceApp Perfect Face Editor application. Once you find it, it is developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. You're gonna make sure to click on the install button and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're gonna launch the app. After launching the app, you're gonna make sure to grant the FaceApp application the permission to access your gallery and camera also, so you can be able to upload your photo. Then you're gonna choose whether you want to use your camera to take a picture of you or take an already existing picture of you from the gallery. So you're gonna upload that photo. Then you're gonna upload the Hollywood filter first. Let's see here, you're gonna go to the impression section from this toolbar right here on the bottom. You're gonna click on impression, and here you're gonna find the Hollywood 2 and Hollywood 1 filter. Now after that, you're gonna adjust the intensity, then go back and apply another compatible filter. For example, I'm gonna choose the Hollywood because it's free, but if you want, you can use the Pro version, which requires a premium subscription. Now you're gonna click on it to adjust and click on apply here. Now to apply this filter, you have to have Pro access. Now after that, you're gonna go back and apply another compatible filter. You can just adjust the intensity for each layer and save your final result. Sacking filters can create stunning results when done right. Experiment and find your perfect style. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.